Hey everyone! In this video, we're counting down the Dutch food you must try in Amsterdam. Amsterdam, the Dutch capital, is well known for its canals, coffee shops, and delectable eateries. They have their unique cuisine and also draw inspiration from other civilizations. Some are expensive while others are more reasonable, yet they all taste delicious no matter where you go. We found the most excellent restaurants in Amsterdam that you must try. They offer beautiful meals, and we've even highlighted our favorites. Continue watching to discover the top 7 restaurants in Amsterdam and their tastiest dishes. Let's get started. Number 1. Van Wonderen Stroopwafel. Van Wonderen Stroopwafel's goal is to have happy customers every day, and they achieve it through quality. It is definitely the place to be for the world's best stroopwafels. Consume to your heart's content. You will not only eat well, but you will also feel fantastic. Van Wonderen Stroopwafels is well known for its pleasant service, distinctive atmosphere, and wonderful cuisine. Number 2. Manneken Pis Amsterdam. Manneken Pis Amsterdam is genuinely worth the hype. You'll probably be surprised that one of their best dishes is the fries, which have 24 sauces. Many return mainly due to the moderate and inexpensive prices advertised compared to other eateries in the area. Number 3. Tom's Poffertjes. This restaurant provides good service at an affordable price. Its specialty is poffertjes met apples, and it honestly tastes delicious. They also provide group menus for groups of 10 or more that offer inexpensive alternatives for feeding a large group at once. Order something out of your comfort zone, since this eatery offers excellent platters. Number 4. Bitterballin. Delicious deep-fried crispy meatballs are traditionally served with mustard sauce. Bitterballin is a peculiar Dutch meatball generally eaten to soak up large quantities of beer. These crisp fried delicacies traditionally contain molten beef and a savory white sauce that mixes to form a delicious creamy roe. Bitterballin restaurant is a must-visit place. Number 5. Winkle 43. Winkle 43 specializes in warming Dutch delicacies and is renowned for its hearty winter grub. Its snack menu focuses on delectable fried morsels such as a significant crispy bitterballen. While at Winkle 43, check out their dessert menu since the restaurant's apple pie is out of this world. Vishandle. This eatery produces everything from scratch and serves inexpensive meals. They have a lot of kibbeling that you should share with your friends or family. Their fish is so smooth and it does not retain much oil, making them light and a fantastic snack to keep you going. The decor is just as impressive as the cuisine and service. It's great for lunch, so get there early. Number 7. Cheese Company. Cheese Company provides Amsterdam's best Dutch Gouda cheese. They provide outstanding service and have a skilled team. Surprisingly, the mood is pleasant. It also has a tasty cheese and makes an excellent Dutch memento. Amsterdam has something unique to offer even the most world-weary tourists. When you have all your materials in one location, it is easy to arrange your vacation. So what are you waiting for? Visit their restaurants and try their great-tasting food. And as always, if you want the restaurants list, it's down in the description. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos.